Good evening, students. Since the day CUCT and DUCT announcements are done by University of Delhi, a lot of students are mailing us and asking us what's going to be the fate of Delhi University joint admission test, whether it's going to happen, what is going to be the difference between DUJET and CUCT. Both the exams are going to happen. Let us understand in this particular episode what is going to be the fate of Delhi University joint admission test, how is CUCT different from Delhi University joint admission test, and explore some of the top colleges that are being catered by these two examinations in particular. So let us understand the basic exam level differences between Delhi University joint admission test and Central University's common entrance test or Delhi University's common entrance test. So the final name is not yet completely out, but yes, it's going to be either Central University's common entrance test, Delhi University common entrance test, Central University's entrance test, but we need to wait for this particular name by Ministry of Higher Education. Delhi University Joint Admission Test, exam status. It's an existing exam which is being conducted by University of Delhi from many years for undergraduate specific courses. What are these undergraduate specific courses? These are Bachelor of Management Studies, BBA FIA, Bachelor of Business Administration Financial Investment Analysis, and BBE, Bachelor of Business Economics. Now let's talk about CUCT or DUCT. The exam status over here is proposed but confirmed. That means it's going to happen from the year 2022, would be conducted by University of Delhi as per the Vice Chancellor of University of Delhi, as well as other several universities according to Ministry of Higher Education. And what all undergraduate courses it's going to cover? It's going to cover commerce, arts, science, vocational studies, as well as languages. Let us understand this that DUJET is an examination that actually comes under DUET and it involves the professional level of courses and it involves only University of Delhi. So जितने colleges University of Delhi के अंडर आते हैं, सिर्फ अगर आप DUJET लिख रहे हैं, you can target those colleges. But when we talk about the proposed Central University's Common Entrance Test or Delhi University Common Entrance Test, it will involve courses in 41 central universities that are supposed to participate in this single examination. So after giving this single examination, you can eye topmost colleges of topmost universities of the country that involve University of Delhi, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Jamia Millia Islamia, Aligarh Muslim University, and Banaras Hindu University, to name a few. So now let us understand the differences between exam patterns of both the examinations. So talking about Delhi University joint admission test, it is only for students who have opted mathematics in the standard 11th or 12th. So someone who is not having mathematics as an optional subject or a mandatory subject cannot actually write Delhi University joint admission test, and there is no such norm when we talk about exam like Central University Common Entrance Test or Delhi University Common Entrance Test till now, but modalities are about to come where they may mention about this particular clause only for some specific courses and not for all. Now, it's an aptitude-based exam completely. So Delhi University Joint Admission Test is a completely aptitude-based examination. And till now, the reports say that CUCT or Delhi University Common Entrance Test is going to have two parts. The first part is going to be aptitude-based examination, and second part is going to be domain-specific, where questions related to the subjects taught to you in standard 11th and 12th are going to be asked. Point number 3. So what all subjects are involved when we talk about Delhi University Joint Admission Test? So they are going to test you on your general English. They're going to test you on your quantitative ability, reasoning, and analytical ability. Last but not the least, since it relates more to business, they are also going to ask you business and general awareness questions. So +4, -1, this is the system being followed by Delhi University Joint Admission Test since inception. Now, talking about Central University's Common Entrance Test or Delhi University Common Entrance Test, there is an expected exam pattern given by some of the sources of newspaper, and this is yet not disclosed. Let me tell you that. So what's going to be the expected exam pattern as per the newspaper sources? First part would be an aptitude based examination that is going to cover 50 questions. Part B is going to cover 120 questions, out of which 100 questions will be mandatory, and all of you have to write those 100 questions, wherein 40, 40, 40 questions of three different subjects will be asked from you that you are actually choosing from these subjects which you have studied in standard 11th and 12th. So we have talked about the differences between these two examinations. Now let's understand the basic similarities as well. Because of these similarities only, many students are asking us what is going to be the fate of DUJET, because both the exams look quite similar in nature, whether it is going to get merged with CUCT in the coming time. First of all, what is the similarity? Both the examination are online mode examination where you have to go to a center, sit on a computer based, and it's going to be a computer based test completely, and MCQ based questions will be asked. So what is MCQ based questions? Multiple choice questions where multiple choosing will be given to you after every question, and you have to select one correct option out of the given choices. Both the examinations are going to involve aptitude. What is aptitude? So aptitude involves logical reasoning, verbal ability, quantitative aptitude or mathematics, as well as general awareness. That is going to be asked in the upcoming CUCT examination as well as it is being asked in Delhi University Joint Admission Test since the inception of this particular examination. Most important, both the examinations are involving University of Delhi, so that creates the big confusion what's exactly going to happen with DUJET in the upcoming time. Last but not the least, the most important part of these two examinations is that some of the finest colleges of the country for their respective courses are coming under these two particular examinations. So that also excites students immensely. So this slide is mandatorily added in this particular episode to make you understand which are some of the top colleges of the country that are being catered by these two examinations. Definitely, we are going to take a different session on top universities and top colleges where we are going to go deep into the top colleges of the country that are being catered by Central University Common Entrance Test. But let us understand right now. So the best college of management for the graduation level, Bachelor of Management Studies and Bachelor of Business Administration, Financial Investment Analysis, Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies. That's not only the best college of the country, but of Asia. You can actually get inside this particular college or get an admission inside this particular college by writing an examination called Delhi University Joint Admission Test. And till now, 65% weightage was given to DUJET and 35% weightage was given to your 12th marks. But when we talk about DUCT or CUCT, the best colleges over here are in the streams of commerce, arts, science, languages, and vocational studies. So it's not going to involve management, but these particular streams, and it involves Sri Ram College of Commerce, Lady Sri Ram College of Commerce, St. Stephen's College, Hindu, as well as many, many colleges that are actually the flagship bearer colleges of University of Delhi and are bearing fantastic NIRF rankings. So they are ranking number one, number two colleges of the country in respective fields, be it economics, commerce, psychology, mass comm, arts, and science as well. So definitely you can look up to these colleges when you're going to actually write DUCT or Central University's Common Entrance Test. It was clearly announced by Vice Chancellor of University of Delhi that they're going to take 100, they're going to give 100% weightage to the upcoming Central Entrance Test, but they are not going to consider 12th mark scores along with it. But final announcement is yet not out in the form of modalities, so we need to have a wait on that particular part as well. Now, let us answer the question which is on the tip of the tongue of every student today. What is actually going to be the fate of Delhi University Joint Admissions Test? And this particular question is coming in mind because University of Delhi is conducting this particular examination already, and definitely if it's coming up with some more aptitude-based examination, it must actually get dissolved in this particular examination. So what is going to be the most expected outcome of this particular question? We are going to discuss this because we need to wait for final modalities from University of Delhi on this particular thing. But most likely, both the exams, Delhi University Joint Admission Test and Delhi University's Common Entrance Test or CUCT, Both will happen in 2022, and there are valid reasons behind them. First, exams for students who are interested in the courses that are more professional in nature, like management, business economics, are actually being conducted by Delhi University Joint Admission Test. But when we talk about the courses that are stream based or that are non-professional in nature, arts, science, commerce, when we talk about vocational studies and languages, that has to happen in a different way. So it's a common sense. Second, new education policy also mentions central entrance test, because of which CUCT has come into the picture for streams or non-professional courses only. They have not mentioned about the professional courses. So these streams are arts, your science, your commerce, as well as vocational studies and languages. In fact, DUJET is exam that's being long conducted and systems, eligibility, everything is intact around it. So it would become very difficult for University of Delhi to merge these two particular examinations. And most probably, 95% both the examinations are going to happen in the year 2022 for their respective courses. Now, so this was all about University of Delhi's two upcoming examinations, due JET and CUCET. Definitely, I'm sure that after this particular session, you're quite clear about what's going to happen in the year 2022. There are some fantastic links for registration for upcoming batches of CUCET of Supergrads given in the description box. Register via them. You can check us on Telegram as well as Instagram channels, where we are putting lot many posts that are going to be very helpful for you guys. Subscribe Supergrads YouTube channel. Like this particular video if you really liked it from the heart. Thank you.